Yeah, straight back. A little farther. Yeah, it's good. This is on the C3881 blower, and we're gonna run a couple passes and see what this makes by itself. Here we just disassembled the standard Kraftwerks kit, and then now we have everything all disassembled over here. These are our new pulleys, our rib belt conversion pulley, the supercharger with the rib belt. Thank you. You can see the old bracket, standard bracket. This is what we're still going to use. The original crank pulley. Just want to torque this to 52 pounds. This tool you can get on McMastercar.com. It's very inexpensive, about 25, 26 bucks. What is the torque spec on that one?
11.
11 pounds.
You don't even need to take this off to do that.
So essentially this pulley is going to be removed, replaced here, replace here, here, and here. All the original misalignment guides will still be used. So you see how it's right there. Fun part.
Yeah, well, that's really tight now.
Yeah. The tensioner pretty much works the exact same way as the original kit. Okay, ready to go. Fire it up. Running smoothly. Okay, so this is where we ended up at. The first pass on the cogged belt in red is 400. And then the next one on the Serpentine Belt is 413. Now, that's not really a 413 because we did go higher in RPM, so it just made a little bit more power. So we're basically going to show you the graph. The blue is the Serpentine Belt and the red is the cogged belt. And so you see the graph is pretty much identical. We lost a little bit of power right there, but you know, I think it was more so like we can get that back in tuning. But right here at the peak, you see the red one was at 400 and we were at like 396 at that same RPM, basically, right there. You know, we kind of revved it out a little bit more, so that's why it got more horsepower at the 413. Right here in torque, same thing. It's pretty much identical. We lost a little bit in the mid-range. Again, we could tune that back out. But look right here, right at the peak of the RPM on the cogged belt in the red, we're at 235 and we're like 234 in the blue on the Serpentine Belt. So right there is the best test that we can basically do with the same size pulley, cogged belt to the Ballade Sports Serpentine Belt kit. Immediately you could hear that changing to the rib belt, the noise is a lot quieter from the Supercharger. You don't hear a lot of whining noise the way we used to when it was on the cogged belt. This is what we got. The bearings itself, we use Nachi bearings, the same brand that Honda uses. So here's an interior noise with the rib belt kit that we just put on. So you don't really have much of that whine anymore. I made the video about showing it outside, but now I'm just gonna go for a quick drive. Nice open road here. Whoa. Whoa. Car feels powerful like it did before. One of the customers asked me if he buys this kit, will it get rid of the the noise from the Supercharger, the whining noise? And honestly, I didn't even know, that it was going to do that right off the bat. So I didn't have an answer for him. I just told him, we don't know yet. And then now, I definitely can go back and tell him, yep, this is what it's going to do, because it definitely sounds quiet. You don't have that that high-pitched whining noise from the cogged belt. So it's definitely a attractive to people that don't like that noise. So this pretty much wraps up our video here. The only thing I wanted to point out to all the people that pre-ordered and why we're not releasing yet is because you see a little bit of this aluminum color that's coming off on the belt. That's from the pulleys. So we didn't hard anodize the pulleys yet, and we could see over the course of time, we're just kind of afraid that the belts might kind of like wear into the pulleys. So we're gonna hard anodize all the pulleys. We wanna make sure that everybody has a good experience with this product, and it's gonna be a long-term solution for this Supercharger kit. So that's it. Thank you very much, guys. Take care.